葉尚志基金會頒發年度獎學金，多達40位年輕學生合共獲得135000元嘅獎學金。呂永山講下。
葉尚志基金會今日喺列治文昆特蘭理工大學舉行第2屆嘅獎學金頒獎典禮。今次嘅申請非常踴躍，經過甄選有40名嘅學生獲獎。主辦單位指出，學生嘅財務需要、學業表現、對社區嘅投入同個人質素都係考慮因素。
Our mission is empower the young people, not through education, through, like I mentioned, is volunteer. Your community engagement.
呢批得獎學生嚟自唔同嘅社區，有啲學生目前仍然喺中學就讀，有啲就淨係修讀專上院校。其中有2名嘅學生獲得1萬蚊嘅獎學金，其中1名失去雙親嘅學生分享感受。
Sometimes feels overwhelming, but I feel very encouraged. Every step that I take, by taking it day by day, it's been amazing and it's been a huge blessing.
另外1名獲獎嘅學生更加係連續2年獲獎。
Last year was quite a difficult year for me. I underwent 2 surgeries, which required me to take 3 months off work, putting me under great financial strain. Prior to that, and currently, I work 3 to 4 night shifts a week as a bedside nurse while attending school full time.
此外，主辦單位亦都向13人各頒發5000蚊嘅獎學金，其餘學生就獲得2000蚊。今年總共頒發135000元嘅獎學金。葉尚志基金會創立於2018年，喺去年取得聯邦稅務局慈善組織資格，目標係向社區內有需要嘅人士提供協助。新時代電視呂永山報導。